What's going on, vlog? Good morning. We are all gathered together here in my new truck. My hair is dyed.
It's silver! I mean, what? I want to dye my hair. I grow up.
Boom! Yo, what's going on, everybody? We are here at Target about to make a slime video or get the ingredients that we need
Let me see.
for the slime video.
Hello. Are we going to do a giant slime? Hi, guys. Daddy, it could be fun. I didn't. Why'd you put this in here? We don't need shavers. We don't need shavers. Yes, we do.
There's razors as well.
Where?
Put it back. Next one.
I want to pop.
Ladies and gentlemen, right here we have
Esmeralda.
and
Benny Flores.
we have all our wonderful supplies here from Target. We are making.
Slime. Slime.
All right, everybody, here we go. We don't have, we're not measuring this. We're just kind of winging it. But we have a lot of glue. We have baking soda. We have everything we need, so we're about to give it. Let's do this.
Okay. Put it down like this. I can do my hand.
Yes, you can, buddy.
Good.
Obviously, everybody, we do not know. I mean, we've made slime before, so it's not like we don't know what we're doing, but we're just having fun. So if it's a fail, it's going to be a fail. But nonetheless, we're going to have fun together. But we're making slime. Either way, let's
It's not going to be a fail.
continue on.
Continue. Okay, we're ready to get.
All right. The glue?
Yeah.
All
Okay,
right.
that's good. It's good. I need to wipe my hands. There's nobody. Hold on. Can we put this in? That's enough. That's good.
Think so?
Can we put this in? Now it's contact solution.
Whoa.
I can't. No, that's last. That's last. Put it back.
Ready?
Now we're gonna. About me. That's good. I want to do it. I want to do it. No, I want to do it. Be good on the vlog, okay? Squeeze it. Do it over here.
Yeah.
That's good. Can we do this? Yes. Now we're gonna do that, and last is that. Are we gonna put two colors?
The whole thing, you think, guys?
Yeah. I'm excited. Just put the whole thing.
Yeah. We should have enough to compensate for.
Oh, it's dusty. Why do we have two?
Hold on, Bentley. What?
Why do we have two?
Just in case that wasn't enough.
I want to do it.
Jesus. Here we go.
Put the whole thing.
Dump it in there, buddy.
Dump it in. Just the whole thing. Is that all? Yep, that's all.
Attaboy.
Can we do this?
Nope.
Why?
Because now it's time to mix it.
I want to mix it. No, we gotta do that. Yeah, we gotta do that. Are we gonna do both? Are we gonna do both? Yep, put it in. Squeeze it. That's good. Just a little bit more.
Looks like you guys are both using the same color. Alright.
It just looks like mine is red.
I want to give a huge shout out to my stirring stick. If it wasn't for you,
Can
this
we
wouldn't
do
be
this?
possible. Make this slime.
You like it? Yeah. You like it, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like the color?
I love the color.
Because it's pink. I love it.
You don't need a little bit of water?
I need water. I need water. Maybe.
I thought I needed a little bit of water, Brian.
No. I need some water. I need some water. I need some water.
Oh my God, this is all the glue you used?
Yeah.
If we put more, that's going to make it sticky.
This is recording.
Yeah.
Can I have some of those? Can I have some of that? Wait for me.
What's going on, vlog? Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have made it this far into the vlog, please leave a like. Please leave a comment. If you're watching this vlog and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I want to send a huge shout out to Target for giving me nothing for free. Anyways, if you guys aren't doing it the honest way, you're doing it the wrong way. Have a great day, guys.
Say bye.
Bye. Peace out.